So to get the position using the EVL, first you need to make an EVL, then get a reference point. Then you need to remember what reference point did you took. Then another EVL. So we have 308 and 186. So you need to go to the chart, go to tools, position line, then press new bearing, then type the first EVL, that is the island, 308, 308, then enter, then get the cursor, then point the cursor on the reference point, then press another new bearing, then press 183. So this is the reference point that you took, 183. Type 183 and then enter, then press get cursor, and then point the cursor on the reference point, then define position. So the position that the cross bearing was made is latitude 3603.6 north and longitude 005 degrees 16.3 west. So next is to get the vessel position using radar variable range marker. First, you need to press variable range marker, then get a reference point. Then remember that reference point on the chart. So to get the position, press tool, then position line, then there's a old range here, so you need to use new range, then type the range that you took in the radar, that is 4.7. type 4.7, enter, then get the cursor, then point the cursor on the reference point, then another bearing, then get another bearing. So if you want to get this reference point, this one, that is 8.8, then type 8.8, then enter, then get the cursor, then point the cursor on the same reference point, then another bearing. So if you want this as another bearing, this one, that is 6.8, then type a new range, 6.8, 6.8, then press enter, then get cursor, then point the cursor on the reference point that you took. So that's it. The position is at the same point of the location of the vessel. Then press define position, then this is the position that you took, latitude 3602.6 north and 005.17.7 west. So the next one is to use bearing and range in combination to get fixed position. Again, use bearing or EBL, then point to the reference that you like, for example this one, then 330, then go to tools again, you need to delete this, go to tools, position line, then clear all the old bearing and range. So bearing is 330, type 330, then enter, then press get cursor, point the cursor on the reference point. Next is, let's choose variable range marker. So variable range marker or range, get the range, that is 8.7, then new range 8.7, then enter, then get the cursor, then point to the reference that you took. Then another one is let's say bearing. So let's choose which one? This one. So the bearing is 291, the reference point is this, so you need to identify which one is there. So press new bearing, then type 291, then enter, then get the cursor, then point the cursor on the reference point, then you will get the position if you're going to press the define position. So the position is latitude 3602.4 north and 005.18.0 west.